Hey, OGL 300. No point in me sitting here staring and trying to say, when should I start? Because I'm going to start. Okay, OGL 300, welcome to Module 3. How am I adjusting here? I don't know. I don't know anymore. I'm going to pull this closer. So um, it is Sunday, January 23rd. Module 3 commences. Um, let's see what I want to talk about. Basically, instructions. If anything's confusing at any point, conflicting, let me know. I'm happy to fix it, clarify it. Some people have done that already, this class, other classes, and it helps me to help you because, like I said, some of these classes, especially this one, which I got on December 30th, uh, it's kind of new to me in terms of what's here, what's not here, what's confusing, and we're finding things. So let me know, and I'm happy to fix it. I like this class. I think it's great. I love the topics in this class. So let's just make it better, okay? All right, so otherwise, let's see, on reflections, I'll get down to that at the end, but I'm going to step it up a little bit on the formatting, and we'll talk about that. But other than that, I think let's get into it. I'll give you Easter egg number one right away, and I'll say contact your instructor. We've been there, done that, but I want to remind you to keep doing so. I hope you find my response time to be fairly quick, depending if I'm at a red light or not. I usually even reply when I'm driving to or from work or somewhere. In fact, I got to leave in 15 minutes, so this video is going to be no longer than that. So let's go ahead and look. There's chapter 4 and chapter 5, okay, 300. Now, of course, that's our North House book where a lot of good things are going on, and I think my link just, no, it didn't. Chapter 4, the behavioral approach, and chapter 5, the situational approach. Oh, I don't want to click on that. Oh, I'm locked out now, doggone it. It's been too long. So, anyways, and I have a 2-inch blur band going through my doggone thing here, screen, because I spilled some Coke Zero on it. Coke Zero is not, it's like acid probably. So, okay, chapter, what did I say? 1 and 2, 3 and 4, the skills approach and the behavioral approach to leadership. Many of you, all of you really did such a good job on looking at the previous with the other work on the traits of leadership. Let's just take a look now. I'm going to move into the work. Okay, so chapter 4 and chapter 5. Each one, okay, read each one. They're good. I've read them. Okay, uh, very informative. PowerPoints that go with each one. This is important too. Great to have that PowerPoint up so you can uh, really contextualize what you're learning from the chapters. Don't shortchange yourself in that area. Okay, now what is this? The wrong class. Let's go to 300. Here it is. Module 3. Looking at the overview. Okay, that's pretty simple. Again, yeah, we're going to look at the behavioral and situation. Oh, to a case study. Okay, so module 3, learning materials. Get started on this, okay? Because you got the readings to do, which are good. Don't try to get all done in one day or two even. Take it piecemeal and learn, okay? It's what you're here for. Get your good money. So you've got videos 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, actually 6, but the first 5 that are linked there, it's kind of tricky. They're going to get trickier because they keep getting longer as you go down. The last one is like 28 minutes. So the total is 47, but they give you a little longer, like 1 minute, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 28 minutes. And then you also have a 16-minute TED Talk way on the bottom. Make sure you see that one. It's linked down at the bottom. Take a look at that 16-minute TED Talk, okay? So you get through those materials. That is your foundation for the module and getting the work done, okay? Good stuff, too. I like videos. Then you get to module 3, activity. What purpose does it serve? I have no idea. No, I think it's part of what's been here, but you're going to review. I want you to review the strengths and criticisms of both the behavioral and situational theories and reflect on your experience as a follower and leader. But there's nothing to turn in, so I don't know why. Just consider that though for your reflection. Please consider it for your reflection. It's going to be really important there. I'm sure of it. Okay, then you want to get to a discussion board, which is due on the 28th. Now, remember, I pretty much do Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 20th, 20th, 30th. All right. Um, so you're going to take on this discussion board. But before you begin, read chapter 4, read chapter 5, listen to the recording well, actually, is there a recording? See, this is what gets me. I'm going to take that out because I don't know if I don't know why the recordings didn't come with me here, but I'm taking that out so you don't have to worry about looking for that. Again, if you see something like that, you let me know. I don't know where this is, okay? Don't spin your wheels. All right, other resources. No, I'm not even going to go there. You don't have to use other resources. This is good. Okay, so when completing topics, please copy, paste the prompts. Good, fine. This is a discussion board, right? So it's not in Word. I'm not a fan of this. I'm sorry. I just want to let you guys do a doggone discussion board. So please respond to one of the prompts below. Respond initially with your substantive discussion response, 300 plus words minimum, by 24 hours before the due date. Yes, try to do that, okay? I hate doing this again. I just want you to do it, maybe by Thursday so that people can start responding, everybody can get a really good response in, all right? Well, I'm not going to ding you if you turn it in Friday, but I would like to get it done to Thursday. Then reply to 2 classmates thoughtfully, 150 word minimum. You got, use the first line to say which option you're choosing. Okay, please do that. All right. Some of these I don't know what option you're choosing. All right, I don't know this class memorized. Be efficient, be clear. So option 1, option 2, option 3. There's 30 points with up to 5 points per response, up to 2. Use and cite course materials to maximize your score. Okay? I think I said that a little bit above that, but that should go without saying. This is a course where you're getting a lot of material, getting a lot of knowledge built in. Use those things, reflect them. Even if it's concepts or something, bold it. You can put, I don't know, can you bold the discussion board? I guess we'll find out. Anywhere that I can see it. Also, write in paragraphs. Give me a line gap, not a bunch of line gaps, just a line gap. So I know where your paragraphs go. Be thoughtful. If you do one long dragged out thing, I'm not going to be happy and it'll show in your score. That's just the way it is. Life in a big city. Okay. Then we got a quiz. The quiz is due on the 29th. The quizzes are puzzling me. And apparently they're like 30 questions, choose 20. I thought I cleaned that up. I guess I didn't. If you have a problem with it, possible answer, let me know. Okay. I had to give points to about a half a dozen students who got a question wrong, but one of them sent it to me and said, this isn't right. So I had to fix the question. Then I realized not everybody was getting that question. So that's too much for me. I need just 20 out of 20, but do your best on this. It's 2 points each. There used to be 1. I made them 2, so you're welcome. I want it to be some value. You get 60 minutes too. That's way too much. God darn it. I'm going to change it next time. That's too long. All right. So then on the 30th, next Sunday, you have your reflection due. Let's see where I'm at in my list of things to talk about. Let's do Easter egg number 2. That would be start on the materials as soon as possible. Okay. Start reading, start, looking at the videos, start taking some notes, understanding where things are. There's a lot on you to do this course. Of course, it's because it's an online course. All right. Me doing these videos is just me doing an optional video instead of typing up a whole bunch of things you got to read. Okay. And to let you know that I'm over here and you can send me stuff. I'll reply to you and it's me and it's live. And what the heck. Okay. So on the reflection, again, what I have here, let's go back to the class. All right. Reflection 3, it's 60 points. It asks you to review the elements of effective and not so effective leadership presented in chapters 4 and 5 of the North House text. Use the constructive elements from your readings to develop illustrations, or you can read the directions. I'm just looking at them to double check to make sure that there are indications here that you want to. I feel like I got long hair laying on my head. It's a phantom hair. I don't have one. So step 1, read chapter 4, read chapter 5, listen to the recording. Again, I don't know where the recording, so I'm getting rid of that. So I would say do the PowerPoints, watch the videos, other such. Step 2, other source, let's just say the videos. Okay, step 3, write the reflection, minimum 400 words. God, that's so weird. Minimum 400 words. So you write part 1. What is this? Review Blake and Moulton's leadership grid model, figure 4.1. Oh, I see. Part 1 is to review Blake and Moulton's leadership grid model in figure 4.1 to Blanchard's situational and leadership model, figure 5.1. Those are from chapter 4, chapter 5, right? Okay. So those describe in detail the 4 primary leadership styles identified in each model and explain how they help us to understand leadership, as you organizational leaderships would like to know. And then provide a comparison of what the key differences and similarities are between these 2 approaches. Compare situational leader. That's part 1. Oh my God. Part 2, choose one case study. And okay, how about we get rid of step 4? Step 5? All right. Make sure you use academic rigor. Means that cite sources, use sources, show us, use the readings and such. What I'm going to do for you is I'm going to clean this up. And there's no way you're doing all this for a measly 60 points. I don't get it. It's too much. It's too much. Of course, you only have to choose 5 out of 7 to do in this course. I got to remember that because that's another anomaly that I'm not used to. Okay, you can do 5 out of 7 is what is expected to get to 1,000 points. You can do 6 out of 7, which is extra credit. So I'm going to tweak this a little bit. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. It's not due next Sunday. I'm sure nobody's going to turn it tonight. And that'll do it, okay? So I'm going to make a note to fix that. And then let's go with the Easter egg number 3, okay? Besides, this is not Easter egg 3, to contact me like you have been. It's good. I appreciate that. Some of you, I'm sure, are not getting the answers you would like, but I appreciate you asking. I really do. Okay. Easter egg number 3, demonstrate academic rigor. Demonstrate academic rigor. Okay. And academic rigor is basically a concept of you being challenged academically here in college. Okay. Challenged by the work, by your instructor. All right. It's a challenge, but it requires rigor, rigorous thought, rigorous consideration, writing, et cetera, et cetera. Okay. You got this. All right. You guys have been doing such a great job so far overall to a person. Okay. So let's get out of here. I'm going to say forks up. Peace.